What in the fuck? You gotta be fucking serious. You gotta be. What the fuck? Really, guys? Are we this dumb?
In Lebanon, officials are now accusing Israel of orchestrating an attack that has killed several people and injured nearly 3,000 others when their pagers exploded. This does appear to be a highly sophisticated attack, although Israel itself has not claimed credit for this. But around 1,500 members of Hezbollah were wounded in these blasts, which happened just south of the capital of Beirut.
We spent so much time talking with experts about methods, strategies that Israel might use if there were a concerted retaliatory strike against Hezbollah. Cruise missiles, drones, boots on the ground, never pagers.
The use of pagers, they are using things like cell phones, things that could be easily trackable or more hacked into. This is older technology.
This is a story that you wouldn't believe if you saw it in a...
In Lebanon, officials are now accusing Israel of...
You hear that shit? They think we are fucking retarded. This is bigger than a pager. Way bigger than a pager. Way bigger than a pager. Y'all trust the government that much? They just took out a bunch of terrorists, so-called terrorists. I don't know who's who over there dying right now. They haven't proved anything yet. But they used pagers and exploded them? Are we fucking retarded or what? That's called targeted individuals. We've told you about this for a long time. Those cell towers, they can target each one of us individually with their phones. Now, they're using pagers over there to communicate between them. But we don't know if the pagers really blew up, and if they did, then they need to be asking where they got them from. Because those are shape charges inside of them, not a fucking battery explosion. A battery explosion does not, absolutely does not blow a hole through fucking wood, through somebody's chest. A battery, it could do a little damage for sure, you know, pops and breaks some bones, maybe some internal bleeding, but blowing a hole straight through wood, straight through fucking particle wood, that's tough shit to begin with. I mean, we gotta be fucking stupid to believe this shit. And we gotta be even more stupid to carry these fucking things in our pockets. Yeah. This is Johnny Cage. And don't believe everything you're hearing, because there's a lot more going on that you don't get to know about. But this right here, pagers blowing up, bunch of targeted individuals, that's very important to pay attention to, because we've warned of this shit for a long time. Can't trust them. Remember the little nano fucking, the little drones, the little drones that have a little bit of shape charge in them, and they fly right to their target, facial recognition, and pop, right in the head, pop. Yeah, we don't know what's really going on. We don't know anything. So this is Johnny Cage and the real Mortal Kombat. Open your eyes and wake the fuck up. The New World Order, they're here, and they are building their New World Order, and it's a world. It's a one world, a one military, one leader, one government. I mean, one military and police together. Blue helmets, UN blue helmets, CCP. That's why China's fully funded over there through the UN, and that's why they're real tight. Communism's not the problem. They're already under a one leader. So it's democracy they're after. And from the old worlds, they build new worlds. This is what the New World Order does. They destroy old worlds, and from their ashes, they build their new world. And they put it in stone in every language to keep and maintain population at 500 million worldwide. That's 7.5 billion people who are going to die for this New World Order. And it's straight out of the Bible. This is stuff straight out of the Bible. A one leader, a one currency, a one world police, military, so no country or people could ever challenge this system ever in the world, yeah, you better wake up, because this is not an American utopia. This is an American dystopia. And it's a communism utopia, but it's a American constitutional dystopia. So we got limited time now, guys. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Johnny Cage, and this is the real Mortal Kombat. Pagers, guys. Pagers. I carried one back in the 90s. Pagers. Fucking pagers.